This is where we are at. An Iraqi paedophile was spared deportation from the UK after claiming he feared persecution back home because he is bisexual. The man, known only as MA due to an anonymity order, entered the UK illegally in September 2017. In November 2018, he was jailed for 10 months for abusing a child and ordered to sign the sex offender register. The Home Office officials wanted to deport him after his sentence. Deportation papers were signed, and in 2019 an order was made to turf him out of the UK. But the pervert won a last-ditch legal bid to stay after telling an immigration tribunal he should be protected on human rights grounds on the basis of his bisexuality, as he was at risk of honour-based violence. He also claimed protection under his right to a family life in the UK. Contesting the ruling, Home Secretary Sula Braverman claimed that MA told numerous lies. Government lawyers said it was not accepted that the appellant is at risk of persecution because of his sexuality, and it is considered his deportation is in the public interest given the offence committed and likelihood of re-offending. But upper tribunal judge Teresa Camara, sitting in central London, backed the initial ruling. She told the appeal hearing the fear of persecution at the hands of his family owing to his sexuality is a relevant factor, as it is a potential risk from the public discrimination by the authorities and the absence of protection for LGBTI people in Iraq. So conclusion is that this man who came to the UK illegally went on to commit a heinous crime, served a prison sentence, was put on a sex register. They tried to deport him some time ago now. It's been going on this case for some time. He's obviously won his right to stay in this country on the grounds of his sexuality or his alleged sexuality, and the fact that he's got a right to a family life in this country, and again citing the fact that if he did get deported back to Iraq because of his sexuality, he would suffer persecution. Again, this is where we're at in the UK.